Singabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates sithanda ukuthi congratulations to i-Kaizer Chiefs ngokuwina, sinjabulele sithi halala.
Hello, Makhosi Amahle in the world. Welcome to another episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis, Khosi supporter. Azish, do enjoy.
And then now, how far advice ka Chiefs? You're just wasting your time, Shem. Because in Gasi Klorale, in company Kijigala family yaga, sing Kaizer Chiefs, Shem.
If they ask you what danger means, say Kaizer Chiefs. We are very dangerous. We are very dangerous, Stivo. You might call us Kaizer Chiefs or you might call us Mkwanas. Because it's the only man that can stop Kaizer Chiefs. Stivo, we are not only a team, we are a team that qualified to CAF Confederation Cup group stages. Yes.
One by one.
Very excited.
Tempo wins the game. You keep possession, you dominate the game. You keep tempo, you win the game. Flavio, Lilepo, Brendan Peterson, clean sheet. Spencer Ndlovu, man of the match. Love you.
Yeah.
Ba. Kusifola ye.
Yey bafethu labantu bayafuna ukuyodlala eAfrika ngempela. uKaizer Mtaung asho athi bazoya eAfrika. Kubhlungu ukuthi bazodlala iCAF Light kodwa kufani bazobe bese eAfrika nabo.
Abanye abantu bazathi sisho bona. Yabona la village. Hayi bafethu akudeserve ukuthi kube seSoweto. Hayi lana ingathi kuse Dubai. Yabona eDubai bafethu. Izwani nje. Hayi kuhle.
Kaizer Chiefs village.
I'm not surprised. Vele into zasekhaya lezi.
Ukwenza ukuwina.
Ngicela ukubona i-team eshaya ukudlula umphakathi waseSoweto. Yabe ngithi umphakathi uyashaya ne. Kaizer Chiefs yashaya bafowethu. Yabo ngihambulo kanjani? I-behavior yama-winners le. Siyabehave sibahambula. Asiphaphi. Ngoba singagcina sizithole sesidlala boma 2-2. Yabo sigcina sesibabhitha.
Sikam manje.
Kodwa kuzolunga man.
Yeah, you say we can't be over
Mina baby cheap. Mara bonga Pirates. Ngakhuluma.
Okay,
baby Chiefs
ngiyakhuluma baby Chiefs because baba ngumfosti.
Uyabo inkosi bole. Inkosi yabona ngibambe yona. Ungahamba kodwa ke ihalale yabantu ngiyo right. Inkosi bola ngizwile madoda mos.
Why do I support Kaizer Chiefs? Why do I support Kaizer Chiefs? Why ungafuni ukuba nenjabulo? Why ungayifuni injabulo?
Kodwa sihlala esikhaya la.
Awuyifuni le njabulo le? Ukhismuzi lo. Why do I support Kaizer Chiefs? No, ngisabuza, why do I support Kaizer Chiefs? Uyabona ukuthi kuyajabulwa lapha.
Ngoba soon sokhala.
Uyabona ukuthi kunenjabulo kwiKaizer Chiefs, but we support. Why?
Just a back consistent pattern. Durban City 1-0. Magesi 2-0. Orbit College 3-1. TS Galaxy 2-0. Who's next? Ndabo.
Kaizer Chiefs have been so good, so consistent, that you have to start asking yourself, could they do the funniest thing ever and finish second in the PSL? Credit to Amakosi, man. Such a convincing 2-0 win. TS Galaxy did look good for like 30 minutes or so. Although that was when the match was paused for like half an hour because the floodlights weren't working. And that makes it 4 wins in a row, 3 clean sheets, just the 1 goal conceded against Orbit College. Kaizer Chiefs have been absolutely flying, man. I know a lot of people make a lot of jokes. What do they still have left to play for this season? But if you ask any Kosi fan, I think they'll give you the exact exact same answer. They would want to see Orlando Pirates finishing third in a 2-horse title race. When you think about the fact that if they win their 2 games in hand, then go on to win the Soweto Derby, they'll be just 4 points behind Pirates, like 4 or 5 PSL games still to play. And looking at the way that this team has been playing over the last 4 games, why can't they do it?
And little hello rapella matata le na go pelaban. Tolo rapella matata le go pelaban. Ko mongwa go create ngwa bara rapele. Arenta te modimo. Monna wa tsamaya lapa la thube. Ene ke ngwana.
Marumfana akwazi ukuputsherwa kimali uhleza mangele. How? Sewuqhinile. How? Sowuzikhiphile. How? Bawuyephi? Hleza mangele nje.
Wenza amazipho.
Ba o bontsha metsi go ditorong wena. O re o tlhape. O tlwele o tshaba metsi wena fetsa wa thwasa.
Ukhathela amasosha omzimba konke nena namaphoyisa akhona nezigebengu zakhona namapha.
Bafo kwasani nama security amapanyaza ngisho ama green beans ngisho nama bouncer. Hey, mfethu.
Bathenga mosebetsing mane e reng ha ke le botsa le batla plastic rena be le ntse tsa re le tsamaka koloi ke sa tsebe gore na ke mang a le botsitseng.
Team ta serious. Ta analyze our first few minutes of the game. Analyze. Look, while I say to go 1, you control the game, relax. 1-0. It's a malaka number 2, inang tusila number 1. If number 1 alahla, go number 1. Oh, Kaizer Chiefs.
Hello, yazi ngilokhu ngiyacabanga yazi. Ngikubhekile ngicabangani? Ngicabanga wena mfana, ngiyazibuza nje. Manje uzothi ngikhuluma kakhulu mfana. Ukwaboshwa boy. Angazi ngaboshwa. Namangu.
Ngenaphi?
Sithini? Isibindi sikanje sithola. Sibenzani? Mfana ngikhumbuza ejele unesibindi. Unesibindi uyabekezela. Into esizifundayo ejele lezo mfana. Ukhuluma ngani? Mfethu, wena every weekend Kaizer Chiefs yadliwa. Every weekend ugqoka iskipo. Every season uthola iskipo esisha. Uyabekezela mfana ngikhumbuza ejele mfana. Hayi. Wena waye uhlale njalo yonke into ngejele. Athi waye yonke into ejele. Ayikho ngejele. Ngikutshela ukuthi ngifunde ukubekezela ejele. Wena ungiphelela umoya awuthami. Uhlula kuphelela iKaizer Chiefs umoya uphelela mina umoya. Awuthami ngeke ulunge ejele mfana. Ngeke nje ulunge ejele.
Uzoboshela iChiefs.
But doesn't uzongikhumbula. Ithi ngiyeke. Uzongikhumbula mfana. Singuvaya sharp.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gays and lesbians, this is Kaizer Chiefs. We live in South Africa, but we are bigger than South Africa. Yes! What an emotional win.
Motho a o fere o sa mira selo ara like you sick and chavi ke batla heavy duty code 14 mara ho mmotso re nkuke wa kwana o kwatela ngwana nkuke
atla robe khams.
Let's go, boys. Hurry.
He's pushing the players.
Come on.
Hey, Maki. Hey, unjani Maki? Hayi.
Kunjani ejele?
Maki. Hey, ngiyaphilela man. Ngigcina ngi-12 Maki. Happy belated Valentine's Day. Maki, utshela mina leyo. Hawu ngizoyitshela abantu ngoba umakhelwane wami. So, happy belated Valentine's kwenye indoda. Hawu yebo Maki.
Yes.
Maki.
Ngeke ulunge ejele.
Ngazi. That's why. Hey Maki, uyathanda ukusifaka enkingeni? Yeah, inkinga. Angeke utshele indoda uthi happy Valentine. Fana ukuthi utshele indoda ukuthi uyayithanda. Yazi ukufaka enkingeni kanjani ejele lento leyo Maki?
Ngimfake ejele manje.
Ngiyazi ukuthi ihlanganaphi iValentine nejele makhelwane. Ungathi ihlanganaphi nejele, ngiyakubonisa ukuthi angeke kwazi ukutshela indoda ukuthi Valentine uyayithanda. Uzongena enkingeni ejele ebusuku, angeke kwazi ukuthi amanye amadoda mawatshela ukuthi uyathanda azokwenzana ebusuku. Ejele sinamaphilisi mfana. Hayi sharp ayidlishi. Ngizokhumbula hamba Maki, uzongikhumbula. Hayi, singihambe na.
Maki idla phansi Maki.
Sanibonani bafethu, bafethu intshebe iboyile intshebe bafethu. Hey. Kumnandi ukudlala fethu wazi ukuthi no goalkeeper fethu no goalkeeper right epalini fethu. Ayikho into frustrator njengokuba no goalkeeper ongamthembi fethu epalini. Yabo ngoba kubuya uPeterson fethu abalandeli bajabule fethu. Hey. abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs bajabule mfethu ngibona inhlolo ichwaza mfethu hey hayi mfethu hayi ke siyabonga mfethu Peterson is back bafethu Mr Clean Sheets ebuya nje seshaya clean sheets umfana bafethu uzombona ukho Bruce uzosho ngathi akabonanga ukuthi Peterson uthe yabuya waboshaya clean sheets bafethu umuntu kumele ayimele bafethu inkulumo yakhe bafethu Peterson is back manje yabo and sicela abe Celestine bafethu national team manje bafethu ngeke bafethu umuntu ethe abeshaya clean sheets hayi bo bafethu ngeke bafethu
impressive
ngeke bafethu akuphume lo amjida lo balo lo replace uchain fanele kuphume yena bafethu ngene uPeterson bafethu ispace Peterson as Hugo Bruce wathi kubulo kunja kalimele lo Peterson ngabe ureplace uchain akube njalo ke manje sebuyile uPeterson manje ukuthi usedlala igame eyodwa but mele abe semqondweni wakhe yabo lonto leyo mele abe ku national collab bafethu yabo lonto leyo uPeterson bafethu yabo angazi fanele aze prove kangaka lo muntu uthi bafethu Mr Clean Sheets ubuyile bafethu wenze idume ngazo ukhipha clean sheet izolo yabo lonto leyo yabo hayi nje bafethu hayi kabi yabo nje ubrand ulokunja bafethu uGo Bruce mele nje phethe amfake phethe ulo Peterson phethe odlala iWorld Cup phethe ngeke bafethu kube khona umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs bafethu ayodlala iWorld Cup bafethu ngeke bafethu Peterson Brandon Peterson deserve it phethe le season bafethu yakhe nje le season phethe Brandon Peterson phethe ngeke bafethu hawu siyajabula bafethu uthi nje bebuyile bafethu lo munye bafethu ngisho bangamlona manje yabo ngisho bangamlona nakusasa lo munye hayi
ona ndaba naye
batho ba modimo ke kopa le ithuteng go driver di-trolley a kere dilena se di apala kopa le ithuteng ka tsone di-trolley tseo ithuteng go driver di-trolley ka gore di re thula direte ka digrosera tsa rona tsa 150 ao o ka pala go driver trolley batsena
ayile empty phela
uthi sahlela umbone vele phethe ifone yakho ngesandla ethi we need to talk yo uvela ukhumbula uGoliath eshaw David ngelithi uzodlala le ngome ethi umphefumulo wami nyathela ngamandla ukhumbula ivesi lithi akukho kufihliwe kungewembo uthi ubuka umnyango ubona ukude ubona ngathi u1 kilometer away
ufuna ukugijima
ngesikhathi uthi uyasukuma usondela kancane ngasemnyango uyasondela kancane athi ngicela uthathe telefoni yakho ufake charging ngoba lokhu ngikhalela iphelele ibhetri ngala ngifuna sikhulume ngala amasofa ngathi sawadabukile yasi amasofa la ekhaya babedani ngoba kube ngathi uyaphupha ngesikhathi uthi udonsa umoya uma mncane umsuzu uthi
sis
wangangesontweni namhlanje
uNkulunkulu akekho yena uye msadeni
utshela ubani uthi emshadweni
uthe umngane wakhe David
oh mazela David yes
namasi
yini ufunda naye esikolweni
yeah
uGoliath
odile byanosho aya wethawe injection injection yao ayithi lena yona dintsimo la wenyaki ayi sharp
udibana dintsimo
othola kingwe uthola flu oh flu ya sokodisa lena na intshwere malobanyana mo etla doctor ba mfa ditlha wena wa tla doctor ya doctor ngisho ma
utlile go doctor
ikile mo wena hey hey Siri, how to deal with people with flu? First, don't panic. What panic? Yeah, don't panic. Say panic. It will not eat. Give them medication. It's only the pills you check. I'm paying the pills. Yeah. na ke bola ke dipeni mo mkokotlong ba mfa dipilisi tse go tshella tsone mme di ka o thusa le wena ya pilisi tse o nwa e one every day manda le frita fe o jwa go doctor nnete man o nyoko reng ke mo bana ke sena di headset tse le tsa di doctor di headset awu ke di sitse go my friend dan tukisetse na ke go kutlwela dipina ga tsona go jaga teng kwa di sa bereki a kitse di so ke ba ntukisetse ke bona di sa bereki yeah di tse tsotlhe o tla bona o tla tswa plan ho bua fola ke re papa okay tswara next robile moto hey Siri, how to unbreak a broken leg? I go to injection when I got when
hey bola yamdala phela kanjani kwethu bengizothiwa bekudlala eKaizer Chiefs athi ungaphinda ubuze
hayi mina bengalibukelanga namhlanje bolibukele wena ibhola
bekudlala namhlanje
angazi
konke imbe edlala
hey nami ngimangeza
baba ke ne close the pilot kwenzakale kanti baba
yazi sengicabange kahle le league eKaizer ngoba yabona ngasukwina kanje sayifuna le league o Sundowns bangarelax besibona sile siyadidisa ngasibona ngathi sileko number 3 siyadidisa senzela bengasinaki besibona sisiqhamuka la sesithi shu sekusele 1 point ukuthi sibafike senze ukuthi yabona iPirates ngabe inakile thina singaneke siyoswina nje sethi asifuni athi sifuna ukuqhamuka ngesurprise ku number 1 sesithi thiwa how laba sithi ya angithi beningasiboni sengicabanga kahle le league le siKaizer engathi yethu.
Alright, i-team enkulu yase South Africa isivele yenza lokho edume ngakho yavulela induku lapha eFNB Stadium kubulawa iTS Galaxy. Ibingekho yenze njani? Bekufanele ishawe iTS Galaxy sigijimise top 2 siKaizer Chiefs. Uzobeza bazongihlafuna kanjani lapha kuma comment section.
School starts from grade R to PhD. You stop anywhere in between, you're a dropout. Focus.
Yes, let's not hate on Kaizer Chiefs fans. They really love their club, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next upload.